This is the practice test for ratios, proportions, and percents, and we're looking at problem number 5. And it says 8 1/2% is equal to which decimal? So we have 8 1/2%, and we can change this. This is a mixed number. Our first step is to change it into a decimal number, which is 8.5. And the 8, the whole number sits out front. The 1/2 becomes the 0.5. But this is still a percent, 8.5%. Now the percent sign means that we're going to divide the number in front of it by 100. So 8.5 over 100, or 8.5 divided by 100, is going to give me 0.085, and that's my answer as a decimal number. 8.5% is equal to 0.085 as a decimal number.